First, we need to get our ingredients.
Bread,
A butter knife,
a plate,
some ham.
and mayo.
Take 2 pieces of bread and put them on the plate. Make sure to close the bag.
Next, take your butter knife and apply some mayo to the bread.
Wipe the excess mayo off the knife. Put it to the side and close the lid.
Take your ham and put 1 slice on each piece of bread.
Now lightly squish down your sandwich. You may also add any other ingredients you may like
tomatoes,
cheese,
lettuce,
cucumbers.
as well as any other different meats and sauces. Now take your butter knife and cut your sandwich in half.
Now we know how to make a delicious sandwich.
Yum! Do's and don'ts.
When using knives, it is important to be careful.
We don't want to run with it, point it at anyone or yourself, and keep your fingers away from the sharp blade as much as possible.
If you make a mess, always clean it up. Always close all your ingredients and put them away, as we don't want them to go bad. Why is it important to know how to make a sandwich?
A sandwich is a simple and nutritious lunch or snack that is easily customizable. This way, you don't have to rely on takeout or pre-made food.